Hello friends, today we will learn a new concept, operation of two sets. So in this video we will find out how to find the intersection of two sets, and also we will learn the properties of intersection of two sets. So let us begin with the intersection of two sets. Therefore set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B equals to 1, 3, 5. These are the two sets from which we have to find out intersection. So for your convenience and better understanding, we are trying to draw Venn diagram for both. So set A, as you can see, Venn diagram, and set B also we have got in the form of Venn diagram. Intersection means they will come in contact. They are common. Something should be common. Whenever the two things are touching, they have a brim of it is common with them. Same way here, the certain elements are common with them, that we can see with the animation. So you will find that set A and B has 1, 3 and 5 common between them. So that is your intersection of two set. That means the intersection of set A and B is 3, 5 and 1. So let us see here, how do we write down? A intersection B equals to 1, 3 and 5. I hope it is clear. Let's go for properties. So the properties of intersection of two sets. First property indicates A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So pictorial or a Venn diagram, we are showing it here. See here, either you can take A intersection B or you can take B intersection A. The answer will be same, 1, 3, 5. Second property, if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B will be A. So that also we can see. Set A is a subset of B. As you see, A, all the elements are there in B, but B does not a subset of A because B have more elements which cannot be accommodated in A. So the complement will become, intersection will become 1, 3, 5, and the set will be your A will become subset of A. Same way, A intersection B equals to B, then B is a subset of A. Got it? Now the fourth one, you can imagine A intersection B is a subset of A, then A intersection B is a subset of B. Just like above, you can have your own example and it will come out. Here A intersection A complement will become null set, and then A intersection A will become A. So you have seen the properties of intersection of sets. Also you will have A intersection null set will be your null set. So I hope it is clear, all the properties of intersection of the set. So see you with the next video.